You know, many of the North Carolina Zoo's educational programs for visitors, as well as behind-the-scenes animal care and research projects, wouldn't be possible without the efforts of a group of dedicated zoo volunteers. As the zoo celebrates its 40th anniversary, we also recognize that some volunteers have entered their 4th decade of service. One of those is Barbara Cummings, who tells us how she became involved with the volunteer program and why it's so rewarding.
This is my 30th year, and I got started because a friend of mine was a docent, and the program had just started, and she came back one day and she stopped me in the hall and she said, "Barbara, I want you to come over and volunteer at the zoo and be a docent." She said, "You would love it and they need you." I haven't really kept track, but I've just learned that I have close to 5,000 hours of volunteer service here at the zoo as an educator. The most satisfying part of being a volunteer here at the zoo is being in this beautiful place, sharing all that I have learned here about the animals with the visitors, and watching all these happy people come to the zoo, and then giving them the message that's so important here, the message of conservation, how each one of us can do something to help take care of the planet Earth and these animals. That's kept me here. Children are one of the main things that inspire me because they always want to know, and they're always like sponges. They have all this curiosity, they want to touch and feel everything. What's this, what's that? And they can hardly wait for you to tell them what it is so they can ask you what the next thing is. And it's exciting.
As Barbara Cummings demonstrates, becoming a zoo volunteer is not only very rewarding, but also a whole lot of fun. If you'd like to learn more about the zoo's volunteer program, you can try our website at nczoo.org. I'm Rod Hackney reporting for the Zoo Files, connecting your life to wildlife.